It's not easy to buy a nice home in San Diego these days. In fact, it's practically impossible unless you have a very impressive income or very generous relatives. The median cost of a home here has jumped to $85,000.
The problem we're facing is that buying a home has become very tough due to high prices. In fact, it's the hardest it's been in almost 40 years, going back to around 1984. It's so bad that some people are saying it's even worse than when the housing market crashed in 2006. We can see this using something called the Home Affordability Index, which shows how easy or hard it is to buy a house. When the index goes up, it means homes are more affordable. But right now, it's going down, which means homes are becoming less affordable. This situation is not limited to a single area. It's affecting the entire country. The outcome of this is a reduction in the number of homes available for sale and a decrease in the number of homes being sold. This decline has had a significant negative impact on both lenders and real estate agents. So, we're selling around...
Back, mortgage rates racing towards 8% now, locking homebuyers out of the market with mortgage demand plummeting to a nearly 3-decade low.
So we know these high mortgage rates are wreaking havoc on the housing market. They're a disaster.
1/3 fewer homes, and this can be largely attributed to interest rates. People are finding a way to work around this issue by choosing to buy new homes. Home builders can absorb the impact of higher interest rates and offer their customers more attractive rates or incentives, such as substantial contributions towards closing costs or upgrades for their new homes. Opting for a new home isn't a bad idea, but it comes with a downside. You'll find that there are considerably fewer new houses available this year compared to just a couple of years ago. For instance, there's a surge in new construction builds, like condos and townhomes. While these options are appealing, they are often listed at prices close to $400,000. Now, this is a significant amount of money that would have bought you a single-story house in a nice neighborhood not too long ago. Perhaps it's a sign of the times, but $400,000 for a townhouse in a place like Las Vegas doesn't seem quite normal. The demand for buying homes has slowed down, but so has the supply. We're currently in a bit of a stalemate between buyers and sellers, and prices are not making dramatic moves. If there is any change, it's happening at a slow pace. So the big question is it better to wait? Here are a couple of reasons why you might want to consider waiting to buy a house. First, a whopping 36.3% of homes are being sold over their list price. This is significant, especially considering the relatively high interest rates. However, it's likely that we will eventually return to the historical average of inventory levels, and interest rates will also come down.
Yeah, it's a tough market. If you're a realtor or a mortgage lender, you're feeling like this is a serious recession. If you think about it, we went from about 6 million homes at an annual pace down to about a little over 4 million homes at an annual pace. That's roughly a third drop in the business in your industry. So when you put on top of that the disappearance of the refinance business, it's feeling really rough for the mortgage space.